Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today we're taking a closer look at a truck that's making a serious statement in the full-size pickup world, the 2027 Toyota Tundra. This is not just a simple update. It's a clear move by Toyota to push this truck into a more premium and powerful territory while still keeping its reputation for reliability. Let's start with the price because it immediately stands out. The new Tundra now enters luxury truck territory, starting just above $60,000 and climbing past $82,000, depending on the trim. That's a big jump compared to older models. But Toyota is clearly aiming at buyers who want more than just a basic work truck. Under the hood, things have changed a lot. The old V8 is gone, replaced by a twin-turbo V6 combined with an electric motor. Together, they produce around 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. What makes this setup impressive is how quickly the torque comes in, giving the truck strong acceleration right from the start. Whether you're towing, hauling, or merging onto the highway, it feels powerful and confident. This is a traditional hybrid system, not a plug-in. The battery is relatively small and works with the engine to improve performance and smoothness rather than focusing only on fuel savings. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery feels refined, and in some situations, the truck can even move quietly on electric power for short moments. On the road, the Tundra feels more comfortable than before. Toyota switched to a coil spring rear suspension, and that change makes a noticeable difference. The ride is smoother when the truck is not loaded, and bumps are handled with better control while still keeping that strong truck feel. For those who enjoy off-road driving, the TRD Pro version adds more capability. It comes with upgraded suspension, all-terrain tires, and protective features that make it ready for real-world adventures. It's not extreme, but it's more than capable for most situations. Inside, the improvements are easy to see. The cabin now feels modern and well-designed. The dashboard has a bold look with large air vents and physical controls that are easy to use while driving. Storage space is also generous, with a big center console and deep door pockets. The seats are comfortable and supportive, especially on higher trims, where you get heating, ventilation, and power adjustments. Features like dual-zone climate control and memory settings add to the premium experience. One familiar feature that remains is the power-sliding rear window, which many owners still love. There is one small trade-off with the hybrid version. The battery is placed under the rear seats, which means you lose some of the storage space that used to be there. For some people, that might be a minor downside. Technology is another strong point. The large 14-inch touchscreen looks sharp and responds quickly. Wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are included, making it easy to connect your phone. There's also an available JBL sound system for better audio and a Wi-Fi hotspot to keep everyone connected on long trips. Safety is well covered too. Toyota includes its latest safety features as standard, such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision warning, and blind spot monitoring, helping make daily driving safer and easier. In terms of capability, the Tundra remains competitive. It can tow over 11,000 pounds depending on the setup, and it handles heavy loads with confidence. Fuel economy does improve slightly with the hybrid system, especially in the city, but this truck is clearly built for power first. So, is the 2027 Toyota Tundra worth it? If you want strong performance, modern comfort, advanced technology, and proven reliability, it's a very solid choice. Just be ready for the higher price. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.